Oh, that hurt. Oh, goodness. Oh. Wowza. Oh. Thank you. Yeah, I hit you. Oh, he got me! He got me!
No, I just looked around the corner.
You didn't get?
Mike, I pushed from the other side of the building. I saw him.
Let's just take the train. Take the train.
Oh, you did? Okay. I found this.
Oh, thank you.
Yep. Right here. Hey. I found one. I found one. Who's coming with me? I found one. Ready? Whoa. You got this, George. He's coming. Oh, oh, did you get hit? He's hit. He's hit. Come on, pick it up, pick it up. Did you get hit? Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Okay, help me grab this. Help me take this back. Get that. Okay, now go. We'll go this way. Everything outside is found. We gotta go inside. Inside. Oh, he got me. Nice. I was wondering. I was like, is she sneaking around to get me? Good job. No, you're good. I was like, is she still over there? Oh, right on my fingertip. Whoa.
Yep, I'll protect you. I'll protect you.
Right here. Here, stay low. How close do we gotta get? Right there. Let's stay low, you got it, bro.
Go back. Go back. Go back.
There we go. Okay, back in action. Oh, he's coming in. Ooh. Is that a yellow? Oh, he got me! Good shot! Oh, right in the pinky nail! Ooh. Oh, who got me? That was a good hit! You got me! Hey. Oh, he's right in that window. He's right in that. Oh, he got me. Dang it. Good shot. Good shot.
Go. I got you, Parker.
Oh, there's some guy coming. He's walking up.
Go.
Oh, wait. Am I on? Where? Yellow? Oh, hit. I got it. So. Oh, I never touched anything. So that's counting down blue. Yellow. I want to hit the. Okay. Yeah, he's camo. Huh. The what? The slides. Oh shoot! Thank you. That would have sucked. Shit! Hit! That grenade get you? Which way?
Get on the right side. Get on the right side.
There's a guy right there.
Push it up, guys. Push it up. Here. Cover. Over your phone. Don't try to go in there by yourself. There's people inside there. You gotta make sure you have more backup.
Yeah, back up. Right there, right there. We got a bunch of people? We need a bunch. Is someone over there?
Next week.
Which one?
Ready?
Oh, shit, not yet.
Move on, we need more defenders. We need to push up
Oh,
again.
I got hit. Look, guys, we gotta rush up. We gotta get there. We're so close. We gotta work.
Last side police station. There's also one inside zero. Cross. Go. I got you covered.
Oh, he's right back there. Damn it, he got me again. Did we win? High score? What does that mean? High score?
Got me.